The posterior hip capsule stretch, otherwise known as back of the hip. All right, so for this movement, this stretch, you'll start off on your hands and knees, right? Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Then from here, what you'll do is you'll take one leg and you'll cross that knee over right about where the ankle is on the other leg. That's just a starting point. Then from here, you're either going to bring your hands forward to take weight off your hands, or you're already going to be in a good position to start feeling a little bit of stretch here. If you need to feel more stretch here, just try to bring that leg back a little bit more. Now, something that might happen is your hip, this hip might want to kind of curl up that way so that this opposite hip goes down towards your feet and this hip goes up towards your shoulders. What we're going to ask you to do is keep this hip driven down towards your feet. You will thank yourself for that. And then you just kind of hang out here. So a couple different ways you can approach this. This can be a passive stretch. This can be something where you're dynamically working in and out of the stretch, where most of the weight is here on this knee, and you're going to push through that knee, right? I'm not pushing through the hands or this back foot, and then sink back into it. Push into it, sink back into it. Something I like to do is 10 of these pushes or pulses where I'm loading this knee and really pushing this hip back. You're going to feel some stuff here. You might feel some stuff in the groin. Basically, you'll feel it where you need it. After that 10th rep, hang out in the deepest excursion of that stretch that you can manage without making your face and neck muscles all tight. And then, as much as you can, do a nice slow push, zero momentum. You're going to push slowly through that knee to bring yourself out of it. So I find that helps me feel like I get a little bit deeper into that stretch. So give that a go. It should help with your pigeons, your squats, your running, pretty much most things where you got to use your legs and hips. Let me know if you have any thoughts or suggestions after giving it a try.